Hey guys, it's Dimo from DimusTech, and today we are checking and installing the ShredLights on our electric skateboard. You already saw my electric skateboard in my previous video where I received it and finally assembled it. Now if you want to ride it in the dark, at night, etc., you obviously want to be seen, because it's dangerous not to be seen or not to see obviously, and for that you need lights. Now the Meepo electric skateboard actually comes with a light, this one, but it's small. I wouldn't say that it's that powerful or good. Mounting is very bad, and as you can see it's already broken here. Actually I broke it at the moment that I was unboxing that light, and I don't know, it's kind of good in lighting, but I think it's not enough. Well, I definitely couldn't mount it normally on my skateboard, and I ordered the ShredLights that are supposed to be the best lights for skateboards and electric skateboards as well. So I ordered 2 packs, 2 for the back and 2 for the front. So the front are white and the back are red. So you have your mountings. Basically those go between the trucks and the deck, and the lights slide into those mounts. You can charge them here via micro USB, and I know it's weird, but it's protected with some method and it's actually supposed to be water resistant. Let's see what else we have here. Let's first put them here. So we have a pretty simple box. We have a very cool actually cable. So one side is a regular USB and the other is actually 2 micro USBs, so you can charge both of them with only one USB cable. This is awesome. Now you have a sticker, and I assume I have another one in that box. That's cool. And we obviously have some manual. This is the manual, just in case you want to see. Basically pretty simple. Let me show you how the lights work. So let's take one of the lights. Now keep in mind it has multiple modes. Now the first one is the highest, if I remember correctly. The second one is half of that, half of the lumens, and the third one is sort of strobe. So let's go ahead, and you have here a button that you push. Oh, those are actually the backlights. Okay, let me point it to the camera, though I wouldn't recommend that. As you can see, it's very bright. Let's press again. Now it's half of the power. As you can see, it's still very bright, much brighter in compared to the other one. And we have the strobe. Let me again point it to the camera. As you can see, it's very bright and it's in strobe. Okay, and that's all. So I actually thought I couldn't see here. If you actually look, you can't even recognize that it's actually the red light until you turn it on. That's cool. We should see almost the same things in the front lights. Again, same mounting, same pretty much lights, same cable. Let's see if we actually have a sticker. Yeah, we have a sticker, and I see that we have some different manual. Can it be? Oh, you know what? It's not different, it's just the other side of the manual. Huh, that's interesting. And as you can see, the same lights, everything looks the same. Oh, you know what? The front looks a little bit different. Let me try to get a closer look. And as you can see, it's a little bit different. So let's try to power it on. As you can see, that one is much brighter than the other one. Let's point it for a moment on the camera. Yeah, that's much brighter. And we have the half power. Again, super powerful. And the strobe. Oh my god. Oh my god, yeah. Okay, so that's very powerful. As I understood, the battery should last about 3 hours for each charge, which should be more than enough. I mean, come on, how much are you gonna ride on one ride on your skateboard at night? More than 3 hours? I don't think so. So, I would finish here the video, but I know you want it. You want to install the lights and check them out, right? So let's go ahead and do that. So first of all, before we begin, I'm sorry that it looks dirty. I didn't really clean it up lately. And I had a few rides that were a little bit with water, a little bit, obviously with a lot of dust. But yeah, so we need the T-tool, I'm pretty sure of it. And basically what we need to do is open each side and put the brackets in order to mount the lights. So let me try to farther out the camera a little bit so it will be more comfortable for me, and we'll do that. Now it will be pretty hard to keep that inside the view, inside your view, so I'm sorry if you won't see everything well enough. Okay, so sadly, after one try, I see that we do need that tool as well. We will need to hold the sides as well. You know, same drill as the other time, sadly. You don't need to raise the tracks. I believe that you need to just screw that here, if I'm not mistaken. Now again, I'm not fully sure, but it seems the right way. Let's put that here as well. Yep, that seems correct. And then you basically just need to screw that back. I didn't really want to show you the whole screwing part. I mean, come on, it's boring. Now we have the mountings. Let's try to put the lights. Now again, it's my first time doing this. I think you are supposed to somehow push it. Not fully sure back or what. No. It's supposed to be pretty much elastic, but I think it's not that elastic. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, you actually need to push pretty strong. Then, that's it. You have light on your skateboard. Awesome. So, let's do it the same way on the other side. Keep in mind that you want your red ones on the back and the white ones on the front. That's how it's supposed to go. Let's do that. Oops. That's me pressing accidentally. That's it. Wow, they are very durable. They hold very, very good. I like it. Now, if you want actually to remove them, yes, you need to, you need to push. Sorry. You need to push really, really hard back and then just pull it off. That's it. It's off. I'm not really sure how durable this material will be, but we'll have to see. Anyway, those are the ShredLights. Thank you for watching this DimusTech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.